That lets the air out of the tank. If I don't do that, it puts so much water in there, it'll just blow the fitting out. Yeah, almost too much for the tank to take. I put another vent hole in there, but I guess it wasn't quite enough yet. Yeah, the pressure at a water fill station is no joke. Make sure you got a nice direct path into your tank, or you're gonna have an awful mess of water all over. And I put the valve in there to limit how much flow goes into the tank, and so I can close it off and disconnect the hose without the water coming out. I couldn't remember which way was open and which way was closed, so I just put it halfway open. Yeah, that's closed there. Okay, back we go to fill up the RV. Oh, don't forget my vent holes. Don't want to forget those, because then the car's going to get wet awfully quick. And it's 50 liters. It's about a weight of a fully grown person in the back of the car, so not too bad. And I have my little pump here I made. So I got a fitting on the bottom of the tank, and then just a plug in it. Throw that on the little pump, wired into a 12-volt DeWalt battery. That's just a old burned out charger that got some water in it, and then fried out and doesn't charge anymore. So I used it as a cradle. I just soldered in the wires to the positive and negative terminals on the battery connector, and then wired a switch into it. Make sure open the vent so it can get some air going in. And there's my water. That's just a diaphragm pump. You could put that in a lake And then put your battery on that and pump water out of the lake too if you wanted. Or have a spray end on it, like a RV spray end, a lower pressure end, but you can still wash stuff with it. You know, like, it's got some pretty good pressure to it. And fresh water tank almost full. Give it another minute or two, it should be full right up. There we go, full. I want to fill it up a little bit more than full. Still got about half a tank left. In case I want to drive somewhere with the car, I don't want to drive around with so much water in there. Oh, it almost emptied it. Yeah, right down to the very bottom. Might be able to put the whole... Oh, no, it's draining out there. I'm overfilling it. And simply remove the drain on the bottom of the tank. Put my plug back in. Put my vent plug back in. And good to go again to fill up again. So direct line into the tank. I had just a cam lock fitting just sitting vertical on there, and then the hose would go in, but then so I had the cam lock fitting sitting like that vertical, and then the hose would go in, it'd be kinked like that, and then the water pressure would try to straighten the hose out and try to pop the fitting out. So I changed that into an elbow, so it's got a straight direct line into the tank. And then I just had one vent hole originally on it, and then I decided to put another one on it because when I first went there to fill it up, the line pressured up, and then it was trying to break the fitting off, and then the tank was like blowing up like a balloon because I didn't have enough air relief into the tank. So the two vents fixed that, and having an elbow on the inlet of the tank. Now I can haul water back and forth. And that works for any small car, as long as you get a small enough tank. I just thought that was cool. You don't see that every day with the smart car hauling water.